Dans ta poche?
J'ai pas de poche.
Mais si, avec le vélo.
Bah, ça tombe un peu. Je vais juste le mettre là. My apartment. Hello, welcome to my apartment. Voilà.
Voilà, voilà.
Walk in, you can put your coat
Here.
or in here.
No, don't show.
Actually, it's important that I show you guys
Okay.
how messy this is, because even though everything is clean here, this is where the mess.
Because we haven't. This is where we put all our stuff that we want to get rid of.
Exactly, or the clothes,
Okay.
some of our shoes.
This is our friend Sad.
This is the co-working slash dining space. This is where we put all of our stuff when we first come into the apartment. Take off the coat, boom, you put the keys here. And we have sage, which we never light up because turns out we both don't like the smell. So it's just decoration, some essential oils. And in here we have a bunch of stuff that we're also trying to declutter, like light bulbs.
Great.
Over here is the dining area where we're gonna have our breakfast in a second. Here is the mirror, and this actually was from my wardrobe in my previous apartment, which I took down, and I kept the mirror because it's huge and it's super convenient, but it's extremely heavy.
Yeah.
I will emphasize on the heaviness of this.
And this is a lovely light bulb that we gifted Romy like 2 or 3 years ago for her birthday.
We also have some origami on our fairy lights. And this is my desk.
Her desk.
Where I do all of my YouTube things that I don't do enough. So I'm trying to keep it clean because, as you can see, there are no drawers, so everything is exposed. So it's been really hard to keep a clean space, but I have all my little thingies here. Everything to edit, extra pens and random stuff like sewing kits. And these are my important documents like passport, ID, things like that. And in here I keep other important documents that I need occasionally in life. We have some plants that were gifted to us from other people, like this one. And we'll do the rest later because we're gonna have breakfast right now.
Ça a l'air d'aller bien parce que
Ouais.
t'es en train de déménager.
Pas particulièrement, je suis juste productive. The light looks very nice in here. Okay, so from the dining room, this is the kitchen. And I think my favorite part of the kitchen is this spider plant. This used to be a lamp, I mean it is a lamp. And it used to work, but we fostered a rabbit for a few months in our apartment, and the rabbit ate the cable of this lamp, so it stopped working. And we just thought this would be a great way to still use this beautiful lamp. This is where we have all of our food, some alcohol, and baby plants, baby spider plants, which come from this mother spider plant. Our little homemade balcony with a lot of crap here. This bottle actually used to be here when we moved in. It was already here and we were just too lazy to throw it in the garbage. So it's still here exactly 1 year later. Sometimes I pull my desk a little bit forward so I can work on that side because the sun can be a little bit bothering. I can't really see my screen if I'm facing the other way. So I like to move it around sometimes. And it also gives me a better access to the fire escape. Now that summer is coming, I'm gonna use the fire escape a lot more to enjoy the weather, and today is actually extremely warm. Here are the spider plants. They're getting some air and some sun. Well, there's no direct sun on them, but hopefully they'll feel a little bit better. And this one was our Christmas tree, but it's unfortunately dying. I have no idea how to bring him back to life. He's turning gray and yellow. Okay, now we're gonna go into my room, which is right here. When you first come in, there's my yoga mat and a chair where I put my perfume and some books, my bamboo. So in here I have coconut oil, my brush, and some scrunchies. Here's my bed, which I really like. It's very close to the floor, just how I like it. I just got this bedside table a few days ago. It was in the street, and I thought it would look perfect with the colors of my room because this is blue. So I have a journal, 2 books, a really old iPad, and just things that I use every night, like my sleeping mask, earbuds, and a pair of socks for when I'm cold in the night. My little Totoro, the guardian of my room. Here we have a ukulele, beautiful hanging plant, I forgot what these are called, and this is my wardrobe. So here we have all my pants, dresses and skirts, t-shirts, sweaters, and jackets right here. More random stuff like my workout clothes, underwear and socks, my suitcase. This bag contains a slackline, so I've really been into slacklining recently. My dirty clothes, and my bed sheets and towels. Here I have my jewelry, so all of my rings, my hair accessories, a headband that belongs to my roommate, my necklace, and here I have my earrings and also accessories for the hair as well. And the best part of this room is this beautiful masterpiece, which I did not paint, but my friends painted it and I thought it was so beautiful. It really makes me so happy when I'm chilling in my bed and I just look at this, and in the morning the sun comes through my window and it hits right here, and there's the sunset right here, and it's just so beautiful.
This is my favorite spot of the morning. I just love the color. It's so nice.
When you come out of my room, you get into the bathroom, which is not very interesting, except for if you saw my video on zero waste, you will know that we installed a bidet right here, and it's the best thing in the world. And we have a bit of toilet paper, but it's only for guests. And whenever we don't have any more, we ask guests to bring their own toilet paper. And this is a new addition to the bathroom. This little hanging plant, and we have some here as well. This is toothpaste. Oops.
Yes, hi.
Hello!
Hi. Welcome to my room.
So this is Sam's room. There are 2 windows, so there's a lot of light coming into her room.
This is my office, and it's wonderful because I'm not facing anything but the external world, so I'm not being distracted by my bed, which is right behind me. I have pictures that all have the same kind of color tone. This is in France, and it's just an ordinary picture of a lunch table, but I love it so much. C'est en Australie. Ça, c'est en France au même endroit, c'est dans les bois un peu. Ça, c'est en Amérique latine. Et ça, c'est à Shanghai, le parking. Ça, c'est en Australie aussi. There's a mini shelf I made from just a storing box. This I picked up from the street. C'est mon armoire. Donc les habits sont rangés par catégorie. Donc j'ai trouvé un système plutôt pratique. Sauf pour les boîtes du dessous. Mais après, t'as l'habitude, tu vois, c'est très instinctif. Puis ça, c'est mes boîtes aussi, genre un peu plus techniques. Genre, c'est medicine, le bricolage, l'électronique, les cosmétiques. Puis ça, c'est de la déco et aussi des papiers.
Super, merci. Au revoir. So now we're gonna go into the living room where Sam is here once again. We're actually preparing a remove, so a lot of the stuff in this room are now gone. For example, there used to be a futon right here. When you come into the room, this is stuff that I'm gonna be traveling with when I'm gonna prepare my move out of Canada. Here's my yoga stuff, which is sometimes here, sometimes in my room, depending on my mood. And everything that I need to practice the violin. Here it is, my beautiful violin, which was very cheap, so the sound is not great. My Kung Fu knives, which I don't use because my Kung Fu studio is closed, but they look very cool, and this is supposed to be blood from my victims. Here's a broken lamp, which has a pink light bulb, and when we light it up in the evening, it looks super nice. It makes a cozy vibe, but the lamp is destroyed because we've been moving it way too much. And we installed some curtains because our neighbors over there can see us naked, which we enjoy very much as well. Here's a very nice plant, and sometimes I move the plant, boom, and I sit here to practice the violin. I also open the window so that everyone in Montreal can hear me. And this is the couch, which is very dirty, which is why we have a red bedsheet on top, which is exactly the same color as the couch, so it's perfect. It was a coincidence. And yeah, Sam is just working on her stuff, being very serious. Good luck, Sam. You can do it. And this is our favorite carpet. The good thing about it is that it's very light and it's very easy to transport, and it's washable in the washing machine and just looks great. And so today this is my working spot where I'm doing some editing for this video. And here we have another beautiful spider plant which is making a lot of little spider babies. Here is a very special box where we have drugs. It's actually true, but it's only weed inside, and we don't smoke that often, only occasionally. Yeah, quoi? Oh, mushrooms. Magic box. We're in the middle of a move, which I will show you guys later in a future video, the whole moving process and everything, but in the meantime, this is it. I don't know. It might be too cramped, actually. Like, what the hell? Okay, in the end I think I'm gonna keep this here for this afternoon to keep working, but I'm gonna put it back by this evening because this is not optimal, because this is also our dining area, so it's kind of awkward now to eat here with the desk here. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back.